Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install PowerShell 7 on Windows. So, first of all we have to open Microsoft Store. I will show you how to install it with the Microsoft Store. If you want to install it with the command prompt, I recorded another video when I used the winget command, so you can go back and watch it also if you are interested. As you can see right now, I only have right here the default Windows PowerShell. How can we install it with the Microsoft Store? Of course, we have to type in PowerShell right there. And as you can see, we have something like this. This is a PowerShell 7. Here you have the version 7.6.0. You have to just simply click on Get. Now we have to wait a bit. Getting ready, as you can see, preparing to download, and our PowerShell will be installed in a second. As you can see, it is 114 megabytes, and now we can open it right here by pressing this button, or we can type in PowerShell, and we have PowerShell 7 right there. We can open it. As you can see, PowerShell 7.6.0. We can check the version by typing in pwsh like this. As you can see, it is PowerShell 7. We can either use the command PSVersionTable. It will also work. And this is basically how you can install PowerShell 7 on Windows using Microsoft Store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.